Cooking up a plan, understanding English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English idiom. Cook up a plan. This phrase is a great example of how language can be colorful and expressive. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and see some examples in action. Stay tuned to become more fluent and confident in using English idioms. Cook up a plan is an idiomatic expression that means to create or devise a plan or strategy, especially in a clever or cunning way. It suggests the idea of putting various elements together, much like ingredients in a recipe, to come up with something new or interesting. This idiom is often used in situations where someone is being somewhat secretive or creative in their planning. It's fascinating to explore the origins of idioms. The phrase, cook up, originally comes from the literal action of cooking in the kitchen. Over time, it evolved to have a metaphorical meaning, implying the act of concocting or inventing something, not just food but ideas and plans. This metaphorical leap shows how language can evolve and become more colorful. Let's look at some examples to see how cook up a plan is used in everyday conversation. The kids cooked up a plan to surprise their parents with breakfast in bed. Our team needs to cook up a plan to tackle this new project efficiently. He seems to be cooking up a plan for his next adventurous trip. These sentences show the idiom in different contexts, making it easier to understand and use. Like many idioms, cook up a plan can have variations. For instance, cook up an idea, cook up a scheme, cook up a plot. Each variation has a slightly different nuance but revolves around the same concept of creating or devising something. English is rich in idioms. Here are a few that convey similar meanings. Hatch a plan. Similar to cook up a plan, it implies devising a plan. Concoct a story, often used when someone creates a story or excuse that's not true. Devise a strategy, more formal, used especially in business or military contexts. Understanding these can enrich your English vocabulary and comprehension. That's all on Cook Up a Plan. We hope this video has helped you understand and feel comfortable using this idiom. Remember, idioms are a fun and integral part of English, adding color and depth to the language. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to cook up your own sentences using this idiom. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.